Good evening everyone. Today I did the cable management for PC Y70. PC Y70. It's all inside the table. All wires now properly put inside. No one can outside showing any wires. This is the PC. It's put off like this here inside. To inside power port. This one. Power management with all cables. I did that properly. Just showing little bit wires, not all. Okay, see, it's now look good because it's all wire will be going inside like this, from inside here all. This is a Y70 PC, not with the screen, without screen, without 4K. If you want anytime, call me.